MCKL, happy 40th anniversary. Really happy to have spent my 1.5 years of A-levels here and to be part of MCKL's history. Hello, my name is Evie and I'm a final year law student at UCL under the Bank Negara Scholarship. Coming to uni as a fresher really reminded me of the orientation camp back when I was a new student in MCKL, because I really pushed myself and put myself out there in a totally new environment. The best thing about uni is that you get to do loads of stuff apart from studying. So in first year, I captained the UCL competitive cheerleading team and we got to perform and compete in various competitions all across UK. And in the second year, I was very active in an economic society. So we did events and also discussed about economic concepts and how they relate to the modern commercial world. I did a lot of case competitions and also mooting competitions as well, where I got to advocate in front of the Court of Appeal judges and also the Supreme Court judge. And this year, which is my final year, I've been putting myself forth for dancing and I'm doing salsa. So yeah, just enjoy your time. Starting out uni can be difficult, but I have 3 tips to cope with uni life and living overseas. The first tip is to have an overarching plan to make sure that you know what you're doing for your first, second and third year. So I have different priorities for each of these years. So for example, in first year I focus more on extracurriculars, but in third year when my academic weighting is heavier, I focus more on academics. So this would give you a better strategy to go about uni. The second tip is to really put yourself out there. See what university and see what the city has to offer. And third and lastly, it's very, very important to have your support structure. So in first year, I was living in halls, so I really spent a lot of time with my hallmates. And as you progress through university, you meet more close friends and also friends from faith-based societies.